Just to mention that Parsha Chukat has a number of different topics associated with it. One of those topics is the famous topic of Miriam, where Moshe hits the rock that he was supposed to speak to. The Mefarshim from the commentaries give no less than 20 interpretations as to what the sin of Moshe Rabbeinu and Moshe and Aaron actually are, in order for them to actually be punished over here. On the basic level, the Rambam says, and when I say the basic level, means the Rambam is interpreting the literal words that Hashem says back to Moshe, and because of the fact that Moshe got angry at Bnei Yisrael, Yan lo ha'amantem bi, because of the fact that he got angry and utilized that anger, that itself was enough for the punishment itself. There are, I think, 20 to 30 interpretations as to actual punishment. It goes as far as to show that Moshe really didn't do anything wrong, but it was destined that Moshe could not go into Eretz Yisrael. Number of different interpretations that we have. I just want to mention that the concept of the Selah, the concept of a rock, in Tefillah, you have the word Selah mentioned also. Right? You see like Elokei Yaakov Selah. What does the word Selah actually mean? They're not the same words. One is with an ayin and one is with a hey. So Selah with an ayin is referring to this rock. Could be an Evan, a Selah, and the like. Where Selah with a hey is a reference to, anybody know? Anybody know? Selah, right? We just say Selah, right? If you look at the interpretation of the English, it'll say Selah. How do you translate Selah, right? You'll see it in your Shemona Esrei. It says the word Selah. So the Gemara says the word Selah is one of three different words that are used that express the concept of eternity. That express the concept of, you want to call it perpetuity or eternity, is something that's li'olam va'ed, is something that is forever. So Hakel Yeshua Seinu Vezaseinu Selah, you are our eternal helper. It means you're always going to be there to help us. So the word Selah, you look in the English, usually it will translate as Selah, S-E-L-A-H. But the fact is that the word Selah is something that relates to that of eternity, and that's different than that of the rock that we have.